Hello guys, this is RealGaming0001, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free website. First step is to go to freenom.com. The next step is to make a custom domain name. Like, let's say I want to do RealGaming001 as my domain. You're going to check the availability, and now you're going to pick one. TK works the best in my opinion because I've always had the least amount of trouble with this. I'm gonna go check it out in the shopping cart. Now before you do anything, you're gonna use forward this domain. Use DNS and use your own DNS. You're gonna set the period to 12 months. Do not select the year because you can get a whole year for free. Why pay $9.95 a year if you can get it for 12 months? Then you're gonna go to 00webhost.com and create a account with your email address and whatever you have here. So like, let's say I want to do RealGaming001. I'm just gonna call my website RealGaming001. Do not put the ending on it yet. You're gonna do that later. After that, you're gonna go to this. You're gonna go to set web address. From here, you're gonna pick use domain, use my own domain. Now you're gonna see a message that says this. You're gonna copy and paste both of them. First, you're gonna put that there. Make sure there's no space in between. Then you're gonna paste it again, but this time you're gonna put where it says 02. You're gonna put 01. Then you're gonna press continue. You're gonna use social sign-in if you have a Google Plus account. If not, you're just gonna have to enter your email address and verify it. Once you're done with that, just log in. You may have to sign into your Google account when pressing on that button. This method I'm currently showing you is to get as many pages as you want on one website. There are like 3 different ways you can do this. If you use a Freenom's service, it'll only allow you to make 1 page. So I wouldn't do that if I were you. Instead, I would go to just go to this, and you can make as many domains as you want, like pages as you want. You can add as many domains as you want to one web address. Once you get this page, that means you already have the domain. So you're just gonna go to my domains. You're gonna go use your own domain. You're gonna type in the domain name here. So RealGaming001.tk. You're gonna park the domain. Once your domain has been parked, you're gonna manage it by linking it to your website. You're gonna choose which website you want. You do not want to use the Sylvia domain because if that happens, it'll make you pick like a web address. Like, let's say you want to do freegames.realgaming001.tk. That'll just change every page you want to make in there to the title of the page and then .realgaming001.tk. So you want to keep that empty if you want to just keep this as normal. You're going to press connect. In here, you're just going to sign in. It makes you sign in multiple times to protect your security of the domains. Alright, so once you get to the client area, you're not gonna press this. Do not press this because it'll get you a Go site. Once you get a Go site, you only get 1 page. and with that you don't get really a lot of customization options. So once you get here, you're going to go to management tools, name servers. It's already should be filled out with the correct name servers. Everything's good for the domain. You can close this out now. Now in here, you already have it connected to your domains. You're going to go to, first you're going to go to manage emails. This one thing that you might want to do is create an email. So let's say you want to do that at realgaming001.tk. You would just make a name, like let me say user. You can just do that, and then you're going to forward it to your email. This helps go through the spam that might occur if somebody were to spam your email. And once you do this, you're going to have to go into your email and you're going to have to confirm that you want to do this. Right now I'm not going to do that. Now, once you're done with all that, you can go to build website. The file manager and the manage database, those are basically where they tell you what types of websites you built with this domain. That's why you want to keep it at 1. Now, with this, you get to pick 4 options. You can either use the HTML coding, which you have done before. If you've done it, you can build a WordPress, or you can build a website easily with their own creation software. But I wouldn't really recommend this because it doesn't have a lot of options as far as customization goes. And if you've already built your website, you can automatically change your domain and what's hosting it. I'm just going to build a WordPress website right now because that's easiest. You can create your admin username, you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it at admin. I'm going to use this, realgaming001.tk. Now you're going to come up with a password. Alright, now you're going to press install. Now, over here is where you're going to have to wait. This is going to be the longest wait of them all. This is going to install WordPress on your website. That's where you get this stuff, the manage database and file manager. The file manager basically saves all your domains, like how many websites you built and domains. Manage database lets you know how many databases you have in there. Here's one thing to note: once you're done with the website, you're going to want to save the login page to the website because it's going to be hard to get to the login page from when you're building your website. So let's go to configuration page. Log in with your credentials that you made before. I'll memorize that. Let me just save that. Alright, now this is where everything happens. This is where you have your website updates and everything like that. Alright, so I'm gonna make a series out of this, like designing the website and everything. So for right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my favorite theme to use. You're gonna have to install your theme. You're gonna have to install images and stuff like that. You're gonna add new theme because I don't like any of these. My favorite one to use is TechNerd because this theme, believe it or not, allows you to have more customization options than regular themes do, like with coloring and other stuff. Once you've installed the theme, you're going to customize. From here you can pick your theme, you can pick the site identity. Let's use this one, TechNerd. Now this is really important. As you update your page, you're going to want to save and activate it, because unless you're on mobile, it won't allow you to. You need to save it regularly because it doesn't automatically save. On mobile, once you're done with all your changes, you're going to want to save it because it won't save it otherwise. Now, inside identity, I'm going to select a node logo. Let's just use the same logo I use on the channel. I'm gonna go. We're gonna select this. Let's skip the cropping because it's fine as it is. Now wait for it to load. The site icon, I'm going to use the same photo because I just like to use it. It turns out like that. I'm going to save and publish. Colors, this is where I told you can pick your background color and stuff. Let's pick like a darker sort of blue. You can select your link color, what color you want the links to be. I'm gonna go with a kind of red sort of thing. You can change these as much as you want, but I'm just doing this right now. Highlight colors, I'm gonna go with yellow, like mustard, like the light yellow. The header background color, this is where you have where the gaming and tutorials are. You're gonna pick your color. Let's use like the lime green sort of thing. The header text color, what color you want the text to be in the header. I'll try to keep this a blue and green website for right now. We want a dark blue. Alright. Once you're done with that, save and publish. You can go up, go back. Now, this is if you want a background image. If you're going to do a background image, you're going to go back to colors. You're going to pick your background color, and you're going to set it to white, because I found that the easiest way to upload the photos without it taking up so much space on the storage settings on the other site. There's a web host. Now with the image, you're just going to pick one of the images, and you're going to set it to be your basic backdrop. So let's say I wanted to do let's do like a controller. So we're going to scroll down. choose the image. We're gonna want to move that to the middle. We're gonna do repeat. We're just gonna find which one works best for your needs. This was probably not a good photo to use, just because it doesn't look that good with the way I had in mind. So I'm gonna upload another picture. Let's try that one. Yeah, like that. Or let's do repeat. Let's publish that, go back. Slider. Now this is just to enable and disable the slider. I'm gonna leave this, I'm gonna say where on that. With the footer message, you're gonna put, I want to show you where it happens. So let's do copy that, paste it, social URLs if you want to include social media on your website. Right now we're going to leave this empty. Menus, what you want your menus to consist of. A home page, an about page. I don't really want a blog page, so I'm going to remove that. Contact page is okay. I'm just gonna save that. Social links menu. I want to delete the menu completely because I don't really like that. Widgets, or if you want to add widgets here, like let's say a calendar, archives. I'm going to use an archives menu. I'm gonna do it that for right now. Footer, if you want to add something to there. I don't want to add anything right now, so I'm just going to leave it like that. A static front page allows you to either pick where you can have a message on your home page, or use it like a blog where you have multiple posts on one page, like your latest posts. You're going to want the post page. Let's just keep that select because I really don't want to work with that right now. Additional CSS is where you basically, if you know any sort of coding language, you can use it here to customize your website even further. Let's get out of this right now. And we're gonna visit the site. Now, notice this bar will only pop up when you're logged in. When it's not logged in, you're not going to have any way to log in unless you go to that page. Now, customize will always be with the theme. This is where you're going to edit the page. Like, let's say I want to edit the message over here. I'm just gonna make a quick message. Then you're going to scroll down. There's a word count. Up here is where you can change the status of the page. If you want it to say published, you can put it as a draft or pending review. You can change the visibility if you want to change it to a password protected. That's if you have multiple users, or private where you're the only user that can see it. This is if you want to add, if you want to change the date that it was published. So I want to change that. Press OK. That's where you can schedule like dates to your page before you're going on a trip or something. And page attributes. This is where if you wanted to, on the menu, have a place where you go to like that part of the menu, and then underneath it there are multiple options. Select one. Setting the featured image. I'm not going to do it on this page because that sets like an image on top of either on top, the side, or the bottom, depending on where you like at the top of the page. I don't want to do it for this post because it's not going to be on the home page. Now you're going to go back home. You can press on this link if you want to. There are many ways to get there. And this is what it's going to look like. And basically it shows past posts. And every time you want to add a page, you're just going to put page. Let's call this tutorials. Oh no, I don't want to do it here. Let's call this and then I'm just gonna do this like listening to steps. From here you're just gonna, let's see, if you're done with that, you're just gonna go, so those are all the steps. I'm gonna publish this, and over here I'm just gonna go to, as soon as this is done, I'm gonna go to appearance. I'm gonna go to menus. From here I'm gonna make like that. I don't really need that, so I'm gonna remove this. Save the menu. Manage locations. I'm gonna create a new page. Now we're gonna call this tutorials. Publish that. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go to appearance. Menus. I'm gonna move that under tutorials. I'm gonna save the menu. And then I'm gonna go back to the save the menu. Go there, and now as you can see, I have a drop down menu for there. And here's the tutorial. Alright, so this is how you can make your own website. Once you're done with this tab, you can just go ahead and close it. I guess I'm done with this video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. In the comments, if you want any other tutorials, please let me know so that I can get them for you. Thanks for watching.